Hey, do you want to know how to create the perfect morning routine including meditation, exercising, and reading? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to teach you and explain you how I created mine so that you can create yours. Before we get started, if you wanna continue watching more videos like these on self-improvement, growth, make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be posting once a week, and make sure to also press the bell button because that way you're gonna get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm gonna tell you my story. Before I started this morning routine, I was waking up super late, super late, just like 20 minutes before I really needed to go to school or work, and I was not productive at all. I didn't do anything in the morning, so that didn't feel right. After watching a video of a sergeant that he was saying something about making your bed every single day.
If you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. If you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day.
So I started diving in and doing research, and I found out that having a morning routine really improves the way your life is. So I started mine. To get started with a morning routine, you need to have time for it. A lot of people think that they don't have time, and that was my case in the beginning. I didn't have time at all. I was waking up at 9:30 a.m. whenever I had to be at school at 10. But what I did is I created a list of things that I wanted to do before going to work, and this way I could time every single task and know exactly how much time I needed before going to work. So for example, in my case, I wanted to do 4 things in the morning: meditate, read, exercise, and have breakfast. After having the breakdown of the times, I add them up. In my case, I needed 3 hours, and my schedule looked like this. It's really important for me to have 8 hours of sleep. If not, I feel super tired. Then that means that I need to wake up at 7 a.m. and I need to go to bed at 11 p.m. so that I can have those 8 full hours of sleep. The first thing that I do as soon as my alarm goes off is count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I get out of bed. That way, I don't even think about anything else of grabbing my phone or going back to bed. It's just like a natural instinct. The first thing I do after I'm out of bed is tell Alexa to start my day, and she will tell me 2 things: the weather, good news because I hate having bad news in the morning, and she will start my coffee maker, and that way when I'm out of my room, the coffee is already made. But for this, of course, you need to prepare everything the night before. While my coffee is being made, I'm making my bed. This is like the first achievement of the day. You feel good after achieving this. It's a really small task, but it does feel good. And your room looks good, everything looks neat, and that gives you peace of mind. I like to do my meditation laying down because I've tried to do meditation before sitting on the lotus position, but my lower back just hurts really, really bad, and I have a carpet that is perfect for meditation. I usually like to meditate for around 20 minutes. Just wanted to keep it short and nice and simple. 20 minutes for me, it's perfect. I listen to guided meditation sometimes, and sometimes I just like to meditate by myself. But whenever I do guided meditations, I listen to these guys called The Honest Guys. Their YouTube channel is just amazing. Check them out. I've been listening to them for more than 2 years, so they're really, really good. Right after my meditation is done, I check my phone right there for any emails or notifications that I really need to answer. I just put a note on my phone, and whenever I get into the office, I know exactly what I need to do first in the office. Once that's done, I just go into my bed, and that's where I like to read. It's just comfy for me, and I don't know, I really, really like it. And here in Boston, it's really, really cold during the winter, so my bed is all warm and nice for reading. Reading for me, it's been really, really hard, but whenever I got this little guy right here, a Kindle, I got it from my birthday. My dad gave it to me. I just fell in love because you can hide how many pages have you read. So that way you're reading and you don't stop whenever you reach 10 or 20 pages. And I will just read as much as I can for 40 minutes. I don't care if it's 5 pages or I don't care if it's 30 pages, but that's my time limit. Whenever I'm done reading, I change myself into my gym clothes and I head into the tiny little gym that I have here in my condominium, or I feel like running that day and I head out and start running. It depends on the weather. This is a really cool tip. Also, when I'm exercising, I like listening to audiobooks, because that way I'm just not only exercising but also learning. I love learning, and that's a really cool way to do so. The final step of the morning routine, I get back into my apartment and I prepare myself something super fast for breakfast. I usually do a protein shake because it's really nutritious, and I don't get hungry in the morning, so that will just fill me up enough to get me through the morning, and I will wait until lunch to have a big meal. Once I'm done with my protein shake, I will hop into the shower. I will take a really quick shower, and then at 9:30 a.m. I'm ready to head out into the office. I take around 30 minutes of commute, so I will be in the office at 10 a.m. exactly. This is because my morning routine is perfectly timed. I'm never late into the office, and my boss really likes that. I just want to add that every single millionaire or CEO, successful in general person that I've met, they have a morning routine, something similar to what I've mentioned in this video. Everyone's different, but at the end they have something similar. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button, because I'm gonna be posting more videos like this one. If you're achieving personal growth, if you're looking for it, That's exactly what you're gonna find on this channel. I'm gonna be happy showing you what has worked for me and what hasn't, and I will see you in the next video. Woo!